Okay. So our next topic is cellular adaptation. When does cellular adaptation occur and what does it mean? Cellular adaptation occurs when there is a stress that results in injury of cell. If the stress is mild, it results in reversible cell injury. And if the stress is high, it results in irreversible cell injury. If we have to define cell injury means loss of function or the change in structure of the cell. If we have to define cellular adaptation, it means any adaptation taken up by the cell due to any pathological or physiological condition. There are 5 types of cellular adaptation, which are hypertrophy, atrophy, hyperplasia, metaplasia and dysfunction. Hypertrophy. It simply means that cell increases its size. Suppose a normal cell look like this. Then after hypertrophy, cell size will be increased, but not the cell number. Atrophy means decrease in cell size. So the cell will shrink down. Hyperplasia means the cell will increase its number. Metaplasia means the cell will convert into another cell. And dysplasia means that cell will be eliminated. That means it will be completely gone. If we have to classify hypertrophy, it is due to 2 reasons, which is your physiological and second is pathological. Physiological means that the requirement of body or the need of body increases the cell size. Example is size of uterus during pregnancy. Pathological condition, that some disease occurs that results in increment of cell. Next is atrophy. Atrophy is also of 2 types. One is physiological, another is pathological. Physiological means that due to some conditions of physiology like aging, decrease in hormone or decrease in oxygen, the cell reduces its size. Like for aging, there is size reduction of brain in old age, which leads to dementia, which means forgetting about things. Next is pathological. This means that some disease is occurring and the size of cell is reduced. Third adaptation is hyperplasia. Hyperplasia means that cell will increase its count. You have to remember that hyperplasia and hypertrophy both occur simultaneously. So it not does that cell will increase only its size or cell will increase only its number. This phenomenon will occur at same time. Coming to the example, BPH, which means benign prostatic hyperplasia. In this, the prostate gland increases its size present in the urinary tract, and it also increases its number of cells. Fifth type is metaplasia, which means that the cell will convert into another thing. It is of two types. First is epithelial metaplasia, and second is mesenchymal metaplasia. Epithelial metaplasia is of two types, which is squamous metaplasia and another is columnar metaplasia. Squamous metaplasia means that other tissue means other epithelial tissue will be converted into squamous epithelial tissue. For example, lungs of smoker. Next is columnar. It also means that other epithelial tissue will be converted into columnar tissue. Mesenchymal metaplasia is of two types, which is osseous metaplasia. Osseous means bone, and second is cartilaginous metaplasia. What does this mean? This means that bone formation will occur during any disease. That means osseous metaplasia. For example, calcification in ovaries, calcification in lungs, or calcification in your kidney. Cartilaginous metaplasia means that formation of cartilage fibers will occur, like hyaline cartilage and your fibrous cartilage. This occurs during your healing of any bone or fracture. Last thing is dysplasia. Dysplasia means that cell will be eliminated. This occurs during any carcinomas. Thank you.